are going to move up and out. Come on up here. Are you the third row? Yep. All right. So this is basic Paea. So all the front row does, and the second row is high, low, push, and turn all the way. The first two rows. The fourth and the third line. The fourth line, when you come to high, you're going to move up one line. So you're going to go high on the first one, low. And you're going to go high on the second one, high, low. Right? So you should be up 2 places already. Let me come back here so you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm the fourth line here? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to go high, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go. 2, 3, 4. Turn. 2. Then I'm going to come one and one front. High, 2, low. When that one starts high, the third row does the same thing they did. We're going to try to get you off the stage that way, okay? Let's try it. Ready? Go slow. We won't do music for 1 minute. You guys are going to do basic Paea. Ready? Are we ready? Here. High, 2, low, high. Wait. I'm going to just tell them what to do. This is high, low, low. Push 2, 3, 4, turn and turn a quarter so you're facing that row. Then you do the same thing to get you back to the front. Okay, ready, back row? So we started. This is the fourth row. Everybody's got to be doing this together, okay? So here we go. First 2 rows do basic. Fourth row come to me. Okay, ready? So then we go move. High, 2, low, 2, keep coming, high. High, 2, low, 2, 3, keep coming. Push, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, 4. Now move up. High, 2, no, you're going to come with me. High, 2, low, 2, 3. Do it again. But you guys have got to be moving your arms so you can't stand there. The third row, you're going to move, don't forget. Here we go. Ready? Fourth row. Hey guys. Hey. Fourth row, go. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low, 2, 3. Should be push here. Push, 2, 3, 4. Turn, 2, 3. Stop. You guys are going to come forward. My third row is going to start moving. Move. Do high, 2. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You should. All right, let me do the third row. Come on, third row. Right here. They just went push, 2, 3, 4. You're going to start, you're going to go up. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low. 2 stays here. Push, 2, 3, 4. Turn, 2. And then by then they'll be gone. You're going to do 1 forward. Okay. Well, go back there so I can get them. You guys ended up here. We did. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low, 2, 3. Now you go. Push, 2, 3, 4. Turn, 2, and go off. High. Okay? Let's try it. From the fourth and forward. Ready? Fourth row. Let's go. You guys have got to dance this. You cannot stop. Ready? I don't know what to do. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. High, 2, low, 2, 3, 4. High, 2, low, 2, 3, push. Push, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2. Third row, go. High, 2, low,